We probably all know that charades is a popular game to play with EFL and ESL students. Well, here's a similar activity adapted from the popular board game Taboo to practice vocabulary. For this game, I'm going to have students write a vocabulary word we've learned on an index card. The objective is for one student to explain the word and have their teammate guess it. But there's a catch. Below the word they have to guess, there are 3 taboo words, or words they can't say in their explanations. This makes it considerably more difficult and will challenge them to be more resourceful. So we're going to play a game today using the vocabulary that you learned this week. Okay? So each team is going to get a set of cards. Okay? And for example, this is my team. And I take a card, and the word is garden. And below the word, you have 3 words here. I cannot say these words to describe what this word is. For example, I could say it's a place where you can grow vegetables, or it's a place in your backyard. And if they know what the word is, they yell garden. But if I say it has grass, it has flowers, I cannot use these 3 words. Okay?
Okay.
So your team is going to create words exactly like this. You're going to have the word here and 3 words they cannot use to describe it.
Okay.
Okay? And your team will do the exact same thing for them.
Okay.
Okay? Any questions?
No.
All right. You can get started.
Okay. So now I'm going to exchange your deck with their deck and your deck with their deck, okay? Yup.
And when you see your cards, you cannot act it out. You can only use words. You can't use actions with your body.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
It's a place when the people that are not healthy
I'm not
go
healthy.
not healthy.
Yes.
They always go to that place.
Okay.
How do you call that place?
Yeah. Hospital.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh.
You are in a boat or in a ship on the sea. You feel very bad.
Yeah.
What is the feel?
The rule.
What is the feel?
So, dizzy, you feel you're
Nausea?
sick.
No show?
Very good.
Not girl. Opposite word of girl.
Of
what?
Of good?
Opposite word of
Boy.
girl. Yes.
This is a great activity because it doesn't require prep time. You can have the students make the cards themselves in class. It's also a good one if you finish class a few minutes early but don't have enough time to start the next lesson. Here are some tips. Limit the number of words they can't use to 3. If it's 5 or more, it will be too difficult. Have each team make the cards for their opponents and encourage them to make them challenging. Don't let the students act out the words. They should only be allowed to explain with speech. Otherwise, it turns into charades. Instead of choosing words on the fly, you can also have sets of cards prepared for each lesson and use them to review vocabulary at the end of each lesson. Another benefit of this game is that it teaches students how to paraphrase, that is, to use known words to explain unknown words, a valuable skill. And while it's just as fun, it produces a lot more speaking than charades.